TikTok is stepping up its game, not just as a short video entertainment platform, but now as a multi-featured communication app too. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech hub. To make entertainment and chat accessible all in one place, TikTok is rolling out a series of upgrades to its direct messages, targeting competition with Meta-owned apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook. The main feature updated is voice messaging. That's right, users can now record and send voice notes up to 60 seconds long. You can also send photos and videos with the option to either capture them on the spot or pick them from your camera roll. Plus, there are tools to edit your content before hitting send. Whether you're talking to someone in chat or having group conversations, TikTok's DMs are expanding. However, there is a catch. When messaging someone for the first time, you can only share existing TikTok content. No voice or video files just yet. It's a quirky limitation, possibly made to avoid users getting unwanted messages. These features are rolling out gradually over the next few weeks, so not everyone will see them right away. And while DMs are still off limits for users under 16, TikTok is layering on additional safety nets for teens aged 16 to 18, like automatic filters for inappropriate content. But users over 18 can change these settings based on their liking. It's obvious that TikTok is shaping up to be more than just a video app, becoming a place where the conversation can happen too. What do you think about this new feature? Tell us in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Press the bell icon so you never miss any update.